I will find myself eating ice cream and cheesecake and my favorite, cupcakes. So getting rid of these cravings has been super hard for me, and that's the one thing that always like knocks me off my diet. And so the way that I've been able to handle this and be successful is meal replacement shakes. And the one that I found that is not only healthy, but it's delicious and it tastes like dessert is LadyBoss LEAN. And this is the best that I've had. And that's no joke because I am a dessert fanatic. And I have found a recipe that is super easy because I hate recipes that are a ton of steps. I just don't have the time for it, and I'm already hungry and shaking. So with this, I found a peanut butter cup shake recipe. Okay, so super quick and easy, just whip this up less than a few minutes. So 8 ounces of almond milk and 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. And then I do 2 spoonfuls of peanut butter, maybe a little bit more, got on my finger. And then 1 scoop of the LadyBoss LEAN. Cheers. You know, like I said, because I have late night cravings, this is my dinner. It really is good. And I love that peanut butter. There's some chocolate in there. Like, it takes care of my cravings, and I don't have to worry about gaining 600 pounds. I can still dream about dessert, and then I can, you know, come home and have this. So try it. I guarantee that you're gonna like it, and if you're someone like me that has those dessert cravings, it's going to, you know, stop you from doing that and being able to stay on the bandwagon.